Picture this. You are about to reheat your coffee, but your trusty microwave just hums sadly, or perhaps it is completely silent. It is a common household frustration, leaving many of us wondering if we can tackle the fix ourselves. When it comes to whether an average person can safely repair their own microwave, the direct answer is generally no, and it is strongly advised against for most repairs. The primary reason for this caution lies in the internal components of a microwave oven. They contain a high-voltage capacitor that can store a lethal electrical charge for a long time, even after the appliance has been unplugged. This stored energy can deliver a shock many times more powerful than a wall outlet. Additionally, microwaves use a magnetron tube to generate microwave radiation, and improper handling or repair can expose you to harmful energy leaks. Understanding these serious electrical and radiation risks is crucial before considering any internal repair. While complex internal repairs are best left to certified professionals, there are a few very basic, safe troubleshooting steps an average person can take. First, always ensure the microwave is unplugged. Check the power cord for damage and make sure it is fully inserted into a working outlet. You can also try resetting the circuit breaker if the microwave is completely dead, as sometimes it is just a power supply issue. For problems like a faulty door latch, which prevents the microwave from starting, it is often a simple mechanical issue that might be visible, but again, avoid opening the casing. Most other issues, like no heat or sparking, indicate internal component failure that requires expert attention. A key component to be aware of is the high-voltage capacitor, sometimes colloquially referred to as the heart of the microwave's power system. This component, along with the magnetron and high-voltage transformer, makes up the core energy generation system. Without specialized training and the correct discharge tools, touching any of these parts is extremely dangerous. These are not parts found in typical home electrical projects, highlighting the specialized nature of microwave repair. So, while it is natural to want to fix a broken appliance yourself, prioritizing your safety and well-being is always the most important step. For anything beyond simple external checks, calling a professional technician or considering a replacement is the smartest choice for both your health and your peace of mind.